Rĩrĩ ngwatanĩro ya Kenya Kwanza ikoretwo igucukira guthogwo kwa rĩjĩsta ya aikia a kura. Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa commission ya IEBC wa Chebukati nĩ ayumĩrĩtie na gutheria ucuke ucio.
So the commission assures Kenyans that their data is intact and that the ongoing processes are just to ensure that we have a clean register in readiness for elections.
IEBC iroiga gutire muikia ona umwe wa kura weheretio rĩjĩsta-inĩ na muigana wa andu aria Kenya Kwanza iroiga ni meheretio ni aria mathamirie ceceni cio cia uikia wa kura.
So let's not talk about 1 million names missing. There's no such thing. It's not there. The 1 million names we are talking about are for those who applied for transfers.
IEBC iroiga kuri na andu milioni 22,500 maikia kura aria mari rĩjĩsta-inĩ yo na riu iri mihango-ini ya gutherio ni gwika huthika githurano-ini twerekeire.
And we are undergoing the process of ensuring that the proper transfers are effected. Yes, there are cases where polling centers were degazetted because of the request by the owners of those institutions, and new polling centers were created, and that then would amount to movement of the voters from that polling station to the center to the next center. But those are then aspects that will be made very clear to Kenyans.
Chebukati ahinyĩrĩirie Kenya kurora kana ni aikia kura na njĩra ya gutuma message ya namba ya gĩbandĩ inyitithanĩtio na hash na mwaka wa guciarwo kuri namba 7
We are stopping voter verification today, but the aspects of SMS and online portal will continue.
Hari ahũranĩri gĩturwa kĩa president ana aria megwikinyitie guthurimwo ni commission ino kana ni makinyanĩirie ikiro. George Lunchiri wa Jakoya niwe uhitukitio thutha wa gukinyaniria watho wa IEBC. Aria meheretio ni Dorothy Kemunto, Justus Juma, James Kamau na Gibson Garuyang'ang'a. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Jetao Wajiko wa Kimani.